you at?
If you were
At
into
the
that,
Barn
the
restaurant.
Kentucky Rye.
The
I've
Barn.
been drinking a lot. So much. You, I have too.
Austin. We're here at the restaurant called the Creekside, and we're walking underneath the bridge with the little creek here with Jeffrey Torres, aka Techno. Swamp Swamp. Hi, Aston. You see something interesting? Ooh, is that a fishy? Go, Daddy.
Come.
Daddy.
What did,
Ooh, what's that? What's that? Hey, I don't see any fishes in here.
Oh, no, you gotta go that way.
Oh, there's more fishes? Boy, now that's nice. Come on.
Come on. Come on. Go. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Come on, boy. Let's go.
Hi, Allison. Where are you? When you see this uncle, you know where you at.
Uncle Ohio.
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of ducks here.
And Aston. And crying Aston. Allison and Elena.
Hey. And there's Mama. Bass. The bass.
Fishy. Fishy, fishy, fish. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Hey.
Bass. We'll go take a look at the river. Throw the rock, Elena. You can throw the rock. Go, pick one up. You want to throw the rock? Go ahead. Pick one up and throw it. Oh, wow. Aston and his duck. Ooh. quack quack.
Where is the bread?
การได้ไปซื้อยาตรงไหน
Where you have the bread?
We can go back and get from the restaurant the leftover.
There was two more.
They threw that they. I'm pretty sure they threw it away already.
Oh, there's plenty more over there.
Okay, let's get
No,
walking.
The bread.
The bread?
Yeah, the bread, the leftover bread at the restaurant. See the squirrel? Bless you. Are you going to scare them? This one, Elena. This one right here. The duck right here. I like this. Look like this different color. This duck. Go.
I get scared.
Run
this
to it.
away.
Run to it.
Quack.
Quack quack. Quack quack. Don't throw your iPad though. Watch out for duck poop. Quack quack.
Wait, there's a squirrel. Over there.
There's a what?
There's a squirrel in that tree.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, I wouldn't try to scare them because you could accidentally run into an egg area and they'll attack you.
Come on, girl. This way. Hello? Just your food. You're eating too good. Itsy bitsy spider come up the water spout. How you like it, Elena? Huh? What? Let me see. What you saying? What? The nice little town here where you can huh? You want to go to what?
You're standing right here.
Local cantina. Yay.
Mommy. Can you hold my hand?
Not far to downtown the area.
That's a cute bungalow home. This one is called the Stadium Creekside Event Center. Sai, that's a nice bungalow right there.
I guess they're waiting for this area to grow to the point that they brought that some, contract.
Let's go. guys put it down first. When we walking, here we are downtown Columbus, called Sayura Mayo, something like that. It's very nice. Beach area, walk area, sitting area. Here's Allison. Say hi, Allison. Look at this bowl of flower. This flower is very nice. Can do a good, yeah. Very nice. Nice windy weather. It's a little warm, but with the wind, make it feel a lot better. Look at the grass. I'm loving the grass. The grass is so green. We're gonna walk down there to the bridge. And there's a swing there.
Here come Uncle Techno and Elena. How's that, Elena? How was it? Allison, want to get on? Get on. Okay, Elena. Same thing.
Allison is actually so quiet.
Go in the middle, Allison. Your hand go in the middle. That way when you break, you don't move.
Yeah.
Ready? Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
They're going.
You coming?
Yeah, go.
Here they come.
Oh yeah, I think mommy's sandwich is done already. Alena, you like yours? Yeah. Whoa, that's Miss Allison. And this one mine.
Wow.
Brownie cookie with blueberry cheesecake. Ah, okay. I'll give you some.
Okay.
We are in Eastern Mall in Columbus, Ohio. There's a Dragon Donut. We are walking.
Elena, look, turn around. Oh yeah, give me one. Thank you.
Here, Ethan.
Here, you guys get parking in front of that. I'm gonna photograph for you.
Man มาเอาเองล่ะ
Just take it.
Let's lie on Louis Vuitton. Go this way. Eastern Mall.
Hey, down. How many frogs are there in this pond?
See it in a candy store.